Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of social psychology and exploring a common cognitive bias known as the spotlight effect. So what exactly is the spotlight effect? Well, imagine this. You're walking down the street and you notice a stain on your shirt. You instantly feel self-conscious and assume that everyone around you is staring at you and judging you for this minor imperfection. That's the spotlight effect in action. It's our tendency to overestimate the extent to which others notice and care about our behavior, appearance, and actions. We feel like we're under a constant spotlight and that everyone is scrutinizing our every move. This bias can lead to increased anxiety, decreased self-esteem, as people may become overly preoccupied with how others perceive them. This phenomenon was first studied by Thomas Gilovich and Kenneth Savitsky in the late 1990s. They asked participants to wear a t-shirt with an embarrassing logo, and they rated how many people noticed and remembered the logo. The results were clear. People consistently overestimated the attention they received. The spotlight effect manifests itself in many ways. We might feel self-conscious about our appearance, social skills, or performance in a particular situation. We might worry that everyone is judging us, even when they're not. Think of the social awkward penguin meme. That's a perfect illustration of the spotlight effect. The penguin feels incredibly self-conscious, even though no one is really paying much attention. So why do we fall prey to the spotlight effect? It's likely due to a combination of factors. Our overestimation of our own importance, our tendency to focus on our own thoughts and feelings, and our fear of social judgment all contribute to this bias. Well, how can we overcome it? The good news is that we can learn to manage the spotlight effect and feel more comfortable in social situations. Here are a few tips. Remember that everyone is focused on themselves. Just like you, others are concerned with their own appearance, behavior, and social interactions. Don't dwell on your imperfections. Everyone has them, and they're probably not as noticeable as you think. Practice mindfulness. Pay attention to your thoughts, emotions, and challenge any negative self-talk. Focus on others. Shift your focus from yourself to the people around you. This can help you feel less self-conscious and more engaged in social interactions. So in summary, the spotlight effect is a common cognitive bias that can make us feel self-conscious and anxious in social situations. But by understanding this bias and implementing these tips, we can learn to manage our thoughts and emotions and feel more comfortable and confident in our own interactions with others. Remember, you're not alone in this. We all experience the spotlight effect from time to time. But by being mindful of this bias and practicing self-compassion, we can overcome its negative effects and enjoy more positive social experiences. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of psychology.
If you appreciated that, then click here for more content like this. And don't forget to subscribe. Be well.